We got metro just behind us. Tell me if you can see anything around the corner. That is huge.
That's what she said.
England?
It's massive.
I'm not climbing up it anymore.
If you could go up there now, would you go up there?
No.
Oh, you would have.
See the little, where the yellow pods?
That's they're the lifts. So you wouldn't go up there if you could?
No.
No?
No.
No way.
What about the first floor? Well, look how quiet it is here. That was a wasp is, mate. And this is the Eiffel Tower. You alright?
Yeah.
Let's go have a wander. Let's go have a wander. Hi, Eiffel Tower. It's just so big.
Stand on the corner
Did you
where
not?
that brown pole is.
This is what our life has come to. TikToks. Go jump in it. Jump in it. Jump in it.
You have to do it again.
Quick, jump in it. Oh, you didn't jump in it.
I did.
That's what I think.
We're going on one of them, guys. Okay, let's do it. The Eiffel Tower. Woo! There she is. The Eiffel Tower. Can you walk through or not? Can you get underneath? Well, I don't know. Come on. I honestly thought you could just walk underneath. But looks like you have to go through security just to get underneath the Eiffel Tower. So that's the exit, just at the top. So we're just going to have a look around the other side to see if we can see how to get underneath. So you can go left for ticket holders or right for non-ticket holders. But access to the gardens are free. Try it, it. Look at the Eiffel Tower. Woo! The po-po around the bikes.
Yeah, wait, we can not. Can not open it now.
So, just went through the security. I must say it's quite excessive, but it does mean we don't get any pestered by any people trying to sell us some stuff, which is a welcome and refreshing change. Go underneath the Eiffel Tower. Look at that, massive. We're underneath. Probably not. Go stand under it. Look at that. Massive. Is that nice?
It's not on.
We are underneath the Eiffel Tower, guys. And the girls are just getting some misting. It's pretty cool. Keep you cool waiting in the queue. Go, go, go. Stay hydrated, guys. No, just chilling outside. And with some water outside the Eiffel Tower.
I'm about to do my music video. Seeing the Eiffel Tower.
Woo!
Now we're going on a boat. Come on.
Let's go.
Ow.
Scared me. We're walking back underneath the Eiffel Tower. Armed guards over there. We're directly underneath the Eiffel Tower. I think we are. Say cheese, Lil. It's pretty cool, isn't it? We are in France. We are underneath the Eiffel Tower. Getting misted.
Oh my gosh.
That is nice for the people in the queue, I bet.
I found a good place to stand fun. I'm in the music video, guys.
Is that good?
Music video.
Your fringe should be fuming.
Should be optional.
Or they should supply you with fringe guards. Oh, that's a pretty garden. Eiffel Tower, eh? So we're just chilling outside, sitting on a bench outside the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. As soon as you walk out, bombarded. Just get them away from the door, guys. You know what I mean?
One. Dun dun dun. You know, I'm watching the Eiffel Tower. Well, you can see the lift. Looks like a car climbing up the thing. You can can see some of the lights, can't you? Look. They're probably working it. The owners of the things who work for the Eiffel Tower are probably going up those lifts right now to turn the lights on.
Probably.
Because they don't turn on automatically.
Someone's got to plug them in, hasn't he?
Yeah. He's turning now. No. I'm not sitting down, I'm bleeding.
Mesdames et messieurs, notre croisière s'achève pour des raisons de sécurité Disneyland Paris. Signore e signori, la nostra crociera termina qui. Del barco, signore e signori, l'uscita è
Something lights up.
d'Atello. Merci beaucoup à tous.
Watching the breakfast. Watching the Eiffel Tower. Watching the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Eiffel Tower. Make my dream come true. It's not dark, so it's not
The
that.
lights coming on.
I know, it's not that cool as I do.
Getting brighter.
Yes.
Can they do a smart straight away? It's the Eiffel Tower, baby! Woo.
You could always try a bit with yours.
Shall I get caramel?
I need to sit down, guys. Coming in on the grass. Weird. I prefer the vanilla, it's just the strawberry.
Oh, it's good though.
Yeah. Good, just a bit sour. We could try some of my strawberry.
They do crepes, guys?
That's good.
Although, he did not understand your order, did he?
No. I wanted more vanilla than strawberry anyway. No.
He was like, on top.
Do you guys know what's going to happen?
Try and get the strawberry off your teeth.
1 minute.
Lick your
Is
tongue.
it 5 minutes long?
I don't know. 1 minute and 1 second.
What's going to happen? When's it on?
You'll see.
Oh! Wow! Whoa! Ooh. That's cool. Wow. Why is that so cool? It's like the Disney Castle, but the Eiffel Tower. That's really cool. Whoa, it got faster. That's what it does, Dad. It got faster.
Does it?
It just got faster. It was actually really cool. It's now dark, so it's even cooler. Dad.
Yeah.
It's now dark, so it's even cooler. Dad.
Yeah.
How long does this go on for?
A couple of minutes.
Okay.
What's behind us, guys?
The Eiffel Tower.
Woo!
Still going.
It's still going. Jeez! My jumper. Lucky I brought it.
It was cold. I couldn't help it. Bye bye. Going to Disney tomorrow. It's orange.
It is orange.
It's a full moon, guys. Our hotel is, I think. Dad.
What is that moon, guys?
There's one here, and I think there's.
What time's the train stop?
This is our life. 20 minutes we've been waiting for this. It's better be good, guys. Tripod.
You're a good tripod though, but you didn't move like Dad.
Do the cannonball thing again. Tripod.
But they're really good glasses. It's like pitch black. Yeah, right?
I'll eat you
What'd
up.
you say?
Cannonball, cannonball, I'll eat you up. Oh my god. Ow, that's stony. So stony. This is why I didn't want to do it. This is how stony it is. So,
Feet together.
my legs are together, my back's gonna snap in a second, bro.
I don't know if Mum did it, guys.
Oh my god, you're fine. Oh yeah. You got it? Yeah.
Woo!
Just.
Oh,
My-
are you okay?
That's why I didn't want to do it.
Goodbye, hour. Let's head home.
Whatever.
That's okay. Thank you.
So we got. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.